Joining us now is renowned writer Shashi Deshpande, who just a few days ago resigned from her position at the Sahitya Academy. Ma'am, your first reaction to the resolution that the Academy has passed today?
I wish it had come earlier. I wish it had come without any pressure from the writers. I wish it had been spontaneous. And it's all right to say all these things now, but one still wonders why they did not say it earlier. Until I get an answer to the question, I'm not happy. What kept them from speaking out these things and saying that there's with the writers in this matter of freedom of speech and expression? That was a very simple statement.
Absolutely.
So why did they not do it earlier? And will the next time the situation arises, will the same forces that prevented them from saying it, will they come into play again?
Yes.
So these are the little anxieties I have, though I'm glad they have said what they did.
But having said that, ma'am, do you think that it's just a statement, more like a lip service under pressure?
Absolutely, it seems to be under pressure because they're really rattled by, all these writers coming together. And I think they have not understood that so many writers coming together spontaneously, voluntarily, from all parts of the country in different languages, means something more than you're just passing a resolution. You've got to give something more than that. And I think that they'll have to rethink. Like I've been saying, they've got to rethink their role.
Right.
It's not enough to pass a resolution. You've got to rethink your role. What is your role in this country? Autonomous, all right, but are there pressures from the government? And when there's a financial, this thing from the government, bound to be pressures. So would you be on the side of the writers every time?